Hi! There are several reasons why you've probably clicked on this video. Do you want to learn basic Vietnamese, but you are not a fan of tedious explanations that nearly put you to sleep? Or perhaps you've got a Vietnamese boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife and you would like to impress them and their family with your language skills. Are you a first generation immigrant child and you would like to give your Vietnamese language a boost? Or maybe you just want your mom to stop saying things like this. Con em sinh đẻ ở đây mà tiếng Việt nó không có giỏi đâu. Trời ơi, con em không có biết nói tiếng Việt nữa đâu, nó chỉ có cả ngày nó nói tiếng Tây không à. Okay, let's keep it between us. This is not what you want for the rest of your life, okay? Or do you have plans to visit Vietnam and you just want to learn the basic Vietnamese language to immerse yourself more with the culture? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daitrang, aka Daitrang, aka Daitrang. I don't know how to pronounce my name in English, so call me whatever, it's easy for you. I am 22 years old and I live in the Netherlands. I grew up in a Vietnamese household as a first generation immigrant child. Being an only child with my mother running a home-based hair salon, living with my dad and grandmother, I was compelled to speak my own native language in this house. Alongside the Dutch language I acquired outside of home and at school. In 2020, I was starting having a relationship with my currently boyfriend, Sven. So during our relationship, he expressed a strong desire to learn and understand the Vietnamese language. Since both of my parents came from the south of Vietnam, I learned the language with the South dialect. In his journey to find a good Vietnamese teacher on the internet, for example on YouTube and that kind of stuff, he discovered that there weren't a lot of content creators who make videos about the Vietnamese language, but especially the southern dialect. You see most of the videos about the northern dialect, and yeah, there are still content creators who already make this kind of Vietnamese language learning stuff, but not that one that he really wanted to watch. He don't have enough patience and that kind of stuff. He just wants straight to the point. It has to be fun, and so that's why, as the supportive girlfriend I am, of course, decide to make this channel just to learn my boyfriend Vietnamese, but also to learn you guys Vietnamese. So my goal is to help all of you guys who wanted to learn the Vietnamese language, to want to speak the Vietnamese language, especially for the southern dialect. This channel is for you guys. The purpose of this channel is to boost your self-confidence in speaking the Vietnamese language. We will do this through short lessons each time so you can stay focused and make progress. Vietnamese is a beautiful language to speak and I love to assist you in this learning journey. So subscribe and let's start this adventure together. See you soon. Bye bye!